So in a normal response mode, always that primary stations will send a command. Only secondary stations will send a response depending upon the commands received. We have seen with that one example how that the frame format for an HLC under the normal response. That may be one too many because that that the primary stations it may be one station, but secondary it may be one or more than one also. But in asynchronous the balance mode, ABM mode, HDLC, the transmissions, it will go for only peer-to-peer, one-to-one the communicate. That is a point-to-point communication. So today we will see one or two problems with HDLC, ABM, the frame format. How that the frame formatting number will be assigned depending upon the condition. So kindly carefully listen how that frame has been number has been assigned, because this will support to understand better about ARQ mechanism. In terms of some point of view, this will also it is the very important topics in this module. Okay, this is NR. Next, we'll go for ABM, that is asynchronous the balanced mode. So asynchronous balanced mode, it is an one-to-one. That is the reason. If you see here, in a NRM, the primary it is an one. Secondary stations, it may be one or it may be higher than that one also. So two stations. But if you see here, in a ABM, asynchronous balanced mode, so it is a station A and the station B. Why it is called as combined stations? In the previous case, NRM, primary will send always the command. Secondary will always send the response depending upon the command received. But in a ABM, it is a peer-to-peer communication. That is a one-to-one communications, point-to-point communication. So the station will act as the primary as well as secondary. It will send command as well as the response. Similarly, station B also it will send command as well as the response. If you see here the types of that HDLC things, see here, yeah. So ABM, both stations will send command as well as the response. So that is the reason in the ABM the station is called as the combined station. Combined station. Now, we will move to the frame exchange, frame format in ABM. The first I, it is nothing but information frames. So you should remember, if it is information frame, it will contain NS as well as NR. That is, send sequence number, receive the sequence number. This is NS is send sequence number, NR is receive sequence number. So starting stage, the first one. So A is sending to B, so it should contain the receiving station address. In a ABM, always it will contain a receiving station address. In a NRM, always it contains the secondary station address. Always it will contain secondary station. If you see here all the informations, always secondary station address in the frame in terms of NRM. But in terms of ABM, if you see here, it contains the respective the receiving station address. Even if you check, it contains the receiving station address in terms of information frames. Okay. Now, the first, hello B, I am sending informations. I am sending frame 0. I am waiting to receive frame 0. So this is frame. So I am sending frame 0. I am waiting to receive frame. So since it is a starting initial stage, it does not contain any the receiving frame from the receiver. So automatically NR will be 0. So NS will be 0. It is transmitting. Meanwhile, station B is also transmitting. hello A, I am sending information frames. I am sending the frame 0. I am waiting to receive frame 0. For this case, this is NS, this is NR. So now, because before receiving frame 0 from A, B is also transmitting information frames. Information frames. So, hello A, I am sending information frame. I am sending frame 0. I am waiting to see frame 0. So, from B to A, this is frame 0. From B to A, this is the frame 0. Frame 0. So, now in the A side, before receiving frame 0 from B, it is transmitting frame. Now, hello B, I am sending information frame. I am sending frame 1. I am waiting to receive frame 0. So now this is frame 1. Because before receiving frame 0 from B, it started to transmitting frame 1. So it is sending. Now NS is incremented. So it is 1. NR, it didn't receive any response from the receiver side. So NR should be the same 0. Now it is sending F1. So it has been lost. Let us assume F1 has been lost. From B. So it has received frame 0 successfully from A to B. So piggyback in the information frame itself, it acknowledging frame 0. So hello A, I am sending information frame. I have received F0. I am waiting to receive F1. That means it is sending acknowledgement for the frame 0. So now NS has been received, so it has been incremented. So I have received up to the frame 0. I am I am sending frame 1. I am sending frame 1. I am ready to receive the frame 1. This is nothing but NS. Already they have sent the frame 0. Now it is sending frame 1. This is NR. Up to frame 0, it has been received. So it is waiting to receive frame 1. So hello A, I am sending information frame. I am sending frame 0. Similarly, up to, I am sending frame 1. Up to frame 0, I have received. I am ready to receive frame 1. Hello A, I am sending information frame. I am sending frame 1. Similarly, I have received frame 0. I am ready to receive frame 1. Ready to receive frame 1. So this was also over. Now, if we come into that A side, hello B, I am sending information frame. I am sending the sequence 2. I am sending F2. I have received 0 successfully. I have received 0 successfully. I am ready to receive 1. So hello B, I am sending information frame. I am sending frame 2. I am ready to receive 1. So it is frame 2. So meanwhile, if you see here, A side, it is see here B side, hello A, I am sending information frame. I am sending frame 2 because frame 1 has been sent. I am sending frame 2. So since F1 is last, I am waiting to receive F1 because F1 has been lost from A to B. Hello A, I am sending information frame. I am sending frame 2. I am waiting to receive frame 1 from your side. So meanwhile, if you see here, so in the A side, it received. So F2 also transferred successfully here. F2 also transferred successfully here. So before that, it is sending the frame. Hello B, I am sending information frame. I am sending frame 3. I am waiting to receive the respective frame because this is frame 1. I received frame 1. I am ready to receive frame 2. So meanwhile, this side in the B side, because 1 has been at the error, now it is sending supervised frame. So B rejects frame 1. So B rejects frame 1 from A to B. B rejects frame 1 from A to B. In the supervisory frame, it will contain the sending station address. Sending station address. In the information frame, always it contains the receiving station address. So kindly keep in mind, in the information frame, always it contains the receiving station address. In the respective the supervisory frame, always it will contain sending station address. So B is rejecting 1. So now B is rejecting 1. So it is received here. So before that, so now A is sending information frame to B. It is sending frame 0 up to F2. It has received successfully. I am waiting to see F3. So I'm waiting to see. I'm sending frame 4. I am waiting to see frame 3. So now this was over. Up to this, it was over. It was over. Now, so that negative acknowledgement also has been received here. Received here. So before moving to here, we will check it here. So now it is sending information frames. Hello A, I am sending information frame. I am sending frame 3. I am waiting to receive frame 1 because frame 1 has been rejected. So still B is waiting to see the respective to frame 1. Frame 1. Now here in this side, since it received the negative acknowledgement for the frame 1, it should reset from frame 1 because since it is an reject, it should reset from frame 1. So this is go back again, go back again. Now, hello B, I am sending frame 1. I am up to frame 2. I have received. I am waiting to see the frame 3. Kindly keep in mind, since it is an reject, it should resend all the frames. So go back again. It should resend all the frame from the particular frame. Now it is resending all the frame from 1. It is resending all the frame from A go back to 1. It is resending all the frame. It is resending all the frame. Now at this stage, if you see here, it has been sent. It has been sent. Now it is received here. Received here. Now in the B side, there is no information frame. So it is only acknowledging frame using supervisor frame because it does not contain any information frame. It is only responding with respect to the supervisor. So B, I am ready to receive 2 because this is F1 retransmission. I got received F1. I am waiting to receive the frame to F. I am ready to see F2. So meanwhile, it is resending 1, 2, 3. So now here this is F3 from B to A. F3 also has received here. Hello B, I am sending information frame. I am sending frame 2 up to 3. I have received. I am waiting to receive frame 4. Now meanwhile, so now B is sending the acknowledgement from for frame 2. So B is ready to receive frame 3 because this is F2. Up to F2 I have received without any error. I am waiting to receive. So now if you see here in the this side, so it is transmitting. Still it is continuing. Still it is continuing. So this is nothing but the frame exchange using ABM. So similar type of problem, I think we will see one more problem, then easily you can be able to understand. This theory you kindly study. Now we will move to this problem because that ABM it is very, very important. We will see with that one problem. So we may give this type of problem. So the following corresponds to an HDLC asynchronous balance mode frame exchange with no errors. Because here if you see here no errors. Complete the diagram by completing a labeling of the frame exchange. You should label all the frames. Also, you should write the sequence. If you see here, the first 2 sequence we have given. In the problem, first 2 sequence we have given. So next you have to see all the sequence. You should replace x with the respective values. You should replace x with the respective values. respective values. So first we will start with the first one. First one. So now bi00. This is one from A to B. Allow B. Allow B. You see here bi00. Allow B. I am sending information frame. I am sending frame 0. I am waiting to see frame 0. So this is frame. This is frame. Now at the second. So this is second. So at this point A I 0 A I 0 0. So what will happen? Now B is sending to A. Hello A. I am sending information frame. I am sending F naught. I am ready to receive F naught. So this is also F naught from B to A. B to A. Now third one. Third one. So what will happen? What will happen? Before third, so F naught has been received. So what will happen at this point? Third. So this is from B to A. Hello A. I am sending information frame. So this is NS, this is NR. So this is NS and NR. Now already you know F naught has been sent. So I am sending frame 1. I have received F naught successfully here. I am ready to receive F1, frame 1. Now if you see here, hello A, I am sending information frame. I am sending frame 1 because already I have sent frame 0. It is incremented 1. I am sending frame 1. Similarly, I have received frame 0 from your side. I am ready to receive frame 1. So now this is frame 1. Any doubt here? For the third, answer is AI11. Any doubt? So now at this point, F0 has been received successfully. F1 has been received successfully because without any error. So now this is the fourth one. This is the fourth one. What will happen? Allow B. I am sending information frame. I am sending iframe. What is the send sequence? Send sequence. F0 has been sent. Next, F1 will be come here from A to B. I am sending one up to F0, F1 received successfully. I am ready to receive the frame 2. Yes. Now for the 4, answer is BI1. So if you see here at this point, 4 is information frame. So it is from A to B. So receiving station address BI. This is NS. Already F0 has been sent from A to B. So now it is incremented to 1. So 1. So up to this point, from B to A, it received F0, F1 successfully. So I am waiting to receive the frame. So BI1. Up to this, it was over. So here F0 is received successfully. Now the fifth point. So RR. So I am ready to receive. Now it does not contain any frame at present. So B does not contain any frame. It is sending the supervisory frame. So that means it is acknowledging. So if it is the supervisory frame, always it will contain the sending station address. So B RR up to F1 I have received successfully. I am ready to receive the 2. Up to F1 I have received successfully. I am ready to receive. So 5, you should write answer like this. So B R. Now if you see here, This is ACK, only acknowledgement frame, only acknowledgement frame. Now up to this it was over at this point. So R61, this is I, information frame. The information frame means it will contain receiving station address. So BI, up to this point, so first one NS, so it has sent F1 successfully. It received acknowledgement for that also. This ACK2 is acknowledgement for F1. So now it is sending frame 2. So 2. Hello B, I am sending information frame. I am sending the frame 2. I am waiting to receive frame. So now for the sixth answer is EI. Now for the seventh, 7. So now it is containing information. So I at this point I. So it is I means it will contain the receiving station address. So AI. Up to this point, it received the frame 1. Similarly, up to this point, it has sent up to the frame 1. So up in this point, you see here F0, F1, so it is F2. So it will send frame 2. Then up to this point, it received F0, F1 successfully. It is also. So now 7, hello A, I am sending information frame. I am sending frame 2. I am ready to receive frame. So up to this, it was over. Up to this, it was over. Up to this, it was over. Now 8. It is a supervisory frame. So R. So supervisory frame, it will contain always the sending station address. So AR. So it received F2. I have received frame 2. I am ready to receive frame 3. So this is ACK. So for 8, answer is ARR. Then similarly for the 9 at this point, it is also supervisory frame RR. Supervisory frame means it will contain sending station address BRR. Up to this point, it received F2 from A to B, so it is waiting to receive 3. So this is ACK3. So now BRR. So we will give the first 2 sequence number, then we will give the frame with all the notations. You have to, based on the given conditions, you have to find the HDLC frame sequence for the remaining frame. Any doubt here? Okay. So this is without error. Next problem, we will see one more problem with error. You will see one more problem with error. So complete the diagram by completing the labeling of the frame exchange. Write the sequence of state variables. So if you see here, this is with error. The same type of things. So first one, it is first one. It is sending information frame. So hello B, I'm sending information frame. I'm sending frame 0. I'm ready to receive frame. Initial stage. NS is 0, NR is also 0. That is, send sequence number is also 0, receive sequence number is also 0. Then frame 2 here, it is sending information frame. So F0, allow A, I am sending information frame, I am sending 0, waiting to receive 0. So up to this, it was over. Now, third. So this is third. Third, it is also information frame. So I, information frame, it will contain always the receiving station address. AI, it has sent F0, now it will send F1. So sending sequence 1, up to this point, it has received F0 successfully. So receiving sequence also 1. Up to F0 I have received, I am waiting to receive F1. So for the third, answer is AI11. Up to this, it was over. Now the fourth one, it is also I. So here at this point, I, since it is information frame, it will contain receiving station address. Hello, station A. I am sending information frame. I have sent F0 because it has sent F0, F1 from B to A. Now it is F2. So I have sent F0, F1. Now I am sending F2. I have received F0 from you. I am ready to receive frame 1 from you. So now if you see here, 4 A I 1. Now F0 has been received here successfully. F2 is received here successfully. F1 is it is damaged. Now if you see here at this point, 5, it is reject, supervisory frame. So reject. So it is supervisory frame means always it will contain if it is supervisory frame, always it will contain the sending station address. So A up to F0 it received successfully. F1 is not received, instead of it received F2. That means F1 is damaged. So now it is sending negative acknowledgement for frame 1. So A reject frame 1. Now this is NAK 1. So for 5, it is A reject 1. Up to this, it was over. Now if you see here, 6, it is information frame. So that means it will contain the receiving station address, allow A, because it received NAK for 1, it should resend from 1 because this is ARQ. REJ, reject means it is ARQ. Now, allow A, I am sending the information frame 1. Similarly, I am ready to receive frame 1. So now, if you see here, now this is F1. So for the 6th, AI11. Now F1 is received successfully. Again, 7 is also because we are not mentioning whether it is in which frame. That is in which frame. Because it should, since it is the ARQ, it resend all the frame from the F1. It should resend all the frame from F1. So automatically, this is F2, this is F3. Now, again, same thing, allow A, I am sending frame 2, I am ready to see frame 1. So for the 7, answer is AI21. Similarly, for 8, allow A, I am sending information frame, I am sending frame 3, I am ready to see frame 1. So So for A, it is an AI. So these type of problems we may ask to complete your the frames. So that's all about the HDLC, the frame format with the two more, that is NRM plus ABM. So mostly concentrate more on the ABM because ABM it is very important comparing to that normal response mode. So kindly concentrate more on ABM. Already I uploaded this also in the Vita. So kindly refer it. You can solve the problem. Even few more problem is there. You can solve any problem, any doubt after this class. If suppose you are going through this problem, so in the answer, if you are facing any doubt, then you can ask.